Hi everyone, welcome back to TMM Reviews channel. Today in this video, we are doing full review of BuzzAgentsAI, world's first social video agent tech plus $1 million affiliate training. So in this video, I am going to talk about what BuzzAgentsAI is and how it works. I'm going to show you a quick demo and walkthrough of BuzzAgentsAI and talk about the upgrades and the special exclusive bonuses that you will get along with BuzzAgentsAI. BuzzAgentsAI is the first app that leverages custom knowledge AI agents to create, schedule, and perpetually post social content about specific businesses or affiliate campaigns for you 24/7 hands-free. Just enter a keyword and watch AI agents craft thousands of unique posts and videos about your specific business or affiliate offer and publish them smartly over and over with no rescheduling needed. Plus, it includes AI Affiliate Authority training by multi-million-dollar affiliate Ben Murray, step-by-step training to launch a successful affiliate business with BuzzAgentsAI doing the heavy lifting. Now, without wasting time, let's dive into the walkthrough of BuzzAgentsAI.
In this video, we're going to do a walkthrough of BuzzAgentsAI. Now, the point of BuzzAgentsAI is that it uses AI agent technology to learn about your specific business and style to create mass amounts of social media content. So social media apps previous to this, including stuff we've come out with, the content is just sort of parroted from ChatGPT. Just prompt ChatGPT or OpenAI API, and it delivers just content that ChatGPT would give you, aka what's being called AI slop right now. So that sort of content is very recognizable and it doesn't really perform well. You really need to create social media posts and videos about your particular business in your particular style for the content to actually work. So that's exactly what this does. It uses AI agents trained in different styles, or the ability for you to create your own AI agent and train it on your business and your style to produce content about your products, about the way that your brand is, and much more. Now, also, this goes beyond just AI chatbots on a page. These are actual. We've coded the app in a way so that the agents actually do the work posting the posts and the videos for you. So this isn't just like a static chatbot that you prompt. These agents are going to go out and actually do the work building your account like an employee that you hired and they learned about your business and now they're creating social content 24/7 for you. All right, so to get started, what you want to do is create a new campaign here, or we can edit a previous one that we're working on. So say, for example, this campaign here. And then we can click on it to edit it in more detail. Now we can add different clients and organize them by the social integrations they'll be publishing to, for example, Instagram, Facebook, etc. And then we can go ahead and begin assigning AI agents to this particular campaign. So what we can do is go up here to create a new AI agent, and we can create one from scratch, or we can create one from done for you templates. So here, for example, I've made a David Goggins clone agent, which I created from scratch. And it has a base prompt telling it to act like David Goggins in this style. Uploaded a picture and a name. And then I would go ahead and then train this agent on different posts or documents or PDFs around David Goggins' style, so that it produces content about his particular business, what his mind would know in his style. Or if we don't want to create your own AI agent, we can go ahead and select from done for you agents we've created. So we have agents such as Jen Flex here, who is going to write your content in a sort of bold, empowering, action-taking type style. And again, this is important because just prompting ChatGPT is going to give like the same sort of post that everyone's going to get, right? So here we're going to be writing posts and creating them in a style that's like motivating and highly energetic. So this is great for if you're doing like a bodybuilding affiliate campaign, or your business is like you're like a fitness influencer. So we would go ahead and select the campaign and select the client and then use this AI agent. Of course, we can go ahead and customize the main prompt. And then we can go ahead and train the agent on web pages. You can upload files like PDFs, or you can even just type manually. So if we want it to know, like, our business address is 111 Cash Road, and then when it's creating content, it could say something like, hey, remember to visit our gym at 111 Cash Road. So again, instead of just generic content, now it's understanding what our business is all about. All right, so now we have our agent trained and created. Now it's time to create some content. So we can go up here to campaigns, content campaigns, and create a new campaign. Now what we can do is we can create just a text post for something like Reddit or an article, a post with an AI image for like Facebook and Instagram, a video post for YouTube or a reel. Or if we've already have like a post created that we just want to upload and schedule, like, Buffer or Hootsuite, then we can just select manual post. So for this example, let's go ahead and pick a post with an AI image. We're going to select our campaign, our client, and then we're going to give the content or the campaign a name. We'll select an agent, and then we'll do something like body building tips. We'll create some posts around that. Now we have this thing called variations technology. So instead of just creating one post, we can create a massive amount of posts all at once. So if we pick, for example, 2 or 3 variations, what it will do is it will create 3 different tips about 3 different posts about bodybuilding tips that are all different, with different images, with different captions, for us to schedule all at once. Now you want to do that because these experts like Gary Vaynerchuk, they're saying, hey, you need to post at least 10 times per day if you want to really build your social account, because that's what the top people are doing. So you need to make mass amounts of content, but have it be unique and actually engage people. And we can choose a dimension. So maybe like a vertical Instagram post. So we can choose from like Facebook, Instagram, all the major social networks. And then we can choose to schedule it right away with AI schedule, where AI will be posting for us. Manually schedule it at a time we want it to go out. Note that if we pick, for example, weekly, then every week at this particular date, Wednesday around 4, it's going to post one of our variations until it runs out. Or we can go ahead and just schedule it later. So let's go ahead and hit next. All right, then it's going to begin building our campaign. And note this takes about a minute or so. So I sped it up, and now we have our posts created here, our variations. And then what we can do is we can go and push this to what's called a content stream. I'm going to talk about that in a second. We can go ahead and just schedule it once, and then we can also customize it further if we want in the editor here. So it's going to go ahead and load our image. So first what we can do is we can edit the title and the actual post description it created. So here's our helpful post. Now if we want to regenerate this, we can do it by keyword, or we can actually create a full prompt and prompt the AI. Now this is also available in the whenever we go to create a campaign as well. So if you don't really understand prompting in detail, then you just type a keyword like bodybuilding tips. It's going to generate a new bodybuilding tips caption. If you know exactly how to prompt for a certain response that you want, like I want to talk about this shoulder technique that I've trained the agent on, and it needs to be in this style, this many words, then we can use full prompt to get a more customized result. Then we can go ahead and, if we don't like the AI image here, we can go ahead and change this out to describe a new AI image and generate that. And again, you can prompt it more in detail for a certain result, or just upload your own image if you want. And then you can customize the actual post. It doesn't have to just be a static image. We can add like CTAs, headlines, emojis to get it however we want. All right, then we can go ahead and hit save to save our post. Now the same thing is going to work with videos as well. So let's go to create a video campaign here, and I'm just going to go ahead and edit a previous one to save time. But it's going to work the exact same way, where again we can choose our agent that will be the one writing the post. So it's going to be in this particular style. We can describe the content with one keyword here, or go to the full prompt if we want for a more detailed result. Choose how long we want the video to be approximately, the number of variations, then hit next. And then what we'll do is it will give us some video ideas here, so we can get the script exactly how we want. If you want to add your own custom idea, we just go up here to choose custom idea. This will be the metadata. So obviously if it's posting to YouTube, it needs to have a description, a title, etc. So this is the metadata and tags that will be used. And then it's going to actually generate our video script for us. And here's our script. If we don't, we can edit it however we want. By adding spaces, it's going to break it up into different slides. And again, if you don't like it, we can use the keyword or full prompt to try to regenerate this and get it better. Now, if we want to create an AI image video, we have some styles here. We can choose we'll try to get our images all the same and congruent to make sort of a congruent, faceless video that's going to have images that sort of pan in and out. It's going to generate a thumbnail for us as well. In this case, it's a reel, so this is the real image. And then we can add realistic voiceovers. So we have these very ultra realistic voiceovers here that are already included in the app. If you want, you can connect 11 labs and clone your voice. So now you're actually your AI agent is not only writing content in your voice, but it's speaking exactly like you would speak with the 11 labs cloning feature. And then upon adding that, we can choose to make an AI image video or just a stock-based video with stock clips. And it will go ahead and do that. Now I've already created this in the style of like just stock video. And we're just going to go ahead to view. And it will load up the editor here. And now to change, so what it will do is it will split the script into different slides here. So the narrator will talk during this particular slide right here and show this image of the guy doing the exercise. And then to go to a different section, we can either click on the clip down here or click in here to change it. And then to actually customize the video, we go over here. Note that if you click this, it will switch between the script and the background. So we can choose to add our own background. If we don't like the AI image it generated, we can choose a new AI image. We can choose a new video clip. From background here. Then we can actually add images on top of this by searching for images here, searching for video clips again, or even, again, generating an AI image. And then the text that will be displayed is right here. Now note that this isn't a subtitle. This is just sort of a text describing this particular scene. And very easy just to sort of point and click to change it around. Change around the background here. You can change the actual text color itself. And then if you don't like the voiceover, we can regenerate another voiceover. Although it's already has our realistic voiceover created from the step previous to it. We can add a face narration. So there'll be a narrated AI speaker that talks. You can actually upload your picture and it will speak in your voice if you want, narrating this clip. If you don't like this, we can just turn it off. You can add background jingle music or upload your own voiceover or background. Here are some effects that we can do to the video, transitions between each clip or AI video. We can add credits and subtitles. So if we wanted to add a subtitle, we can pick this style, and then right here, whenever the video generates, it will generate the subtitles for us. And you can actually go ahead and preview the video to make sure the subtitles are right. And then a number of other features to customize it exactly how we want. And then you just simply hit render here or preview it first. And now we have a great AI reel that's really going to engage in our brand style. All right, so now we have some content. Now let's go ahead and schedule that. Now we have a way to perpetually post the content at specific smart times in a feature called content streams. Now a content stream is a collection of a specific type of content. For example, we just go over here to stream, press this button, and we can create a content stream of, for example, Instagram post content. Just click on it to view it. We can upload videos, images, posts. Here we have some Instagram content ready to go. And then we can schedule this particular stream on the scheduling calendar here. This is where we see all our posts going out. By clicking the button, choosing the stream, and then selecting the time. Now you want to do this because instead of scheduling every single individual post, you can choose to have your collection, a collection of posts go out at a specific time every Friday, for example. So I have no integrations in it. But basically what it will do is it will show a schedule where you can choose to have every Friday, our Instagram content is going to go out at 11 a.m. So here we can see a stream that I've actually scheduled. So every day at 2:25 p.m. every week, I should say, a content stream of Instagram quotes is going to go out to my Instagram page. So you can choose to have this go out every day. You can choose to have it go out just once a month. You can choose to have it go out every week. So what we can do here is we'll have our AI agents, build out these different streams where, every hour they're posting some sort of original content and unique content over and over again. So again, the top social experts like Gary Vaynerchuk, they say you should repost the same content, multiple times because, different people are on Instagram or Facebook at different times. So the content stream technology allows us to post what's in that collection over and over again and recycle the content without us having to go over every single day and reschedule every individual post. Okay. All right. So there's a lot more features too. We also have this thing called viral posts and videos where we can type in a keyword and it will find viral or very engaging Instagram videos and Instagram posts that relate to a certain keyword. And what we can do is we can use these we can repost these. You can actually download this and repost it as on your own account. We can draw inspiration from it to create our own content. You can even repurpose it using an editor here. So if you go to image editor, we do give you one template that's very popular right now. The X template. You might have seen Alex Hormozy and many people using this template on their Instagram and Facebook to get a lot of engagement, where essentially, you want to go ahead and edit this as, your name and your handle. You want to go ahead and upload your image and it will actually let you crop it. And then we can go ahead and add the post that we want to repurpose. So say, for example, we found this viral Instagram or yoga pose thing that's going viral. Now, instead of just reposting it as ourselves and not getting as much traction because we're essentially just reposting something else that someone else created, we can repurpose it under our own brand here, where it has like our name, handle, and then maybe some text that says something like, "Hey, check out this really great post I found." And now it's repurposed under our brand instead of the other person getting all the credit for the post. So we can actually repurpose images, and you can repurpose videos as well too. So to repurpose the video, we can go down here to this template, and if we find a great viral video, we can upload the video here, delete this. This is just a placeholder one. Delete this video, upload the new video, and then render this reel as a way to repurpose the content. All right, so there's a lot more to this, but hopefully that's enough to start getting you started and understanding what the app does. We'll have more detailed tutorials on different specific parts, but hopefully this is good enough to help get you started.
Along with BuzzAgentsAI software, you're getting the AI Affiliate Authority Blueprint training by Ben Murray. This 30-module paint-by-numbers course shows you exactly what Ben would do if he had to start over from scratch to make 1 million again, complete with exercises and cheat sheets. You'll learn step-by-step how to make your first commissions, then scale that into a full-time income. A little of what you will learn includes build a buyer's list from scratch without paid ads, make your first affiliate sale in weeks, automate Instagram growth for more engagement and commissions, done-for-you viral content for fast sales, launch a profitable affiliate video channel's YouTube channel, protect yourself from AI automation for years to come, and so much more. So we have prepared this full review bonus page of BuzzAgentsAI that you will find in the description of this video as well as in the comments below this video. You will find all the details related to the BuzzAgentsAI software, features, demo video, all the upgrades links, the special one-time bundle link, and all the special exclusive bonuses details on this review bonus page. So make sure to check out this review bonus page with all the details, and links are given on this page. Now let me walk you through all the special exclusive bonus packages that you are going to get with BuzzAgentsAI. First are the special vendors bonus packages, which includes bonuses like the commercial license upgrade, exclusive affiliate marketing getting started live class with Ben, white label rights to 365 social media prompts for any niche, agency rights to stunning Instagram carousel templates, agency rights to social feed gallery, agency rights to rapid lead page builder 3, agency rights to social auto schedule. Then you are getting lots of reseller rights bonuses like VidRank Neos, VidNeos, Social Neos Pro, and many more. White label license bonuses like AppSpy Pro, Curation Neos, Pin Matrix Pro, and many more. Lifetime access bonuses, and lots of other vendors bonuses. Next are the special exclusive bonus packages. These are all high-quality softwares and apps that you won't find anywhere else. So you are getting access to one of the best lead generator and list builder app that helps you to build high-quality, engaging email lists. It's a complete lead generator plus email marketing suite where you can generate unlimited leads from various platforms, as well as you can create campaigns for them. Next, you are getting access to AI Universe, which is the first ever multi-model AI with 75 plus advanced, diverse, hidden AI models, all inside a single dashboard. Access world's most powerful AI models, ChatGPT's latest models, Claude, Gemini, Flux, Leonardo, SDXL, Stable Diffusion, and more. This saves you thousands of dollars every month. Similarly, you are getting access to AI-powered Copywriter App Suite, which itself is a bundle of various AI apps like AI Advanced Editor, AI Writer, AI Image Generator, AI Article Wizard, AI PDF, Vision AI, AI Rewriter, AI Agents, AI YouTube to Blog Post App, AI Code Generator, AI Speech-to-Text, AI Voiceovers, and many more. Then you are getting access to AI Viral Quiz Builder app. With this revolutionary platform, you can create hundreds of highly engaging, addictive, viral quiz videos in minutes for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more. Similarly, you are getting lots of agency bonuses that helps in different agency businesses. Next, you are getting AI Video Creator App, AI Graphic Creator App, AI Website Creator App, App Builder Platform, Webinar Creator App, AI Video Interactor App, Video Ranker App, various traffic apps, multi-platform autoresponders, content creator apps, and lots and lots more apps. You are also getting a mega bundle of DFY ebooks, articles, graphic bundle, HD video bundle, royalty-free music bundle, social media graphics bundle, and a lot more. Similarly, you are getting lots of other bonuses. You can check out all these bonuses and details on my review bonus page that you will find in the description as well as in the comments. You will get all these bonuses when you purchase the software through our link.
Hi everyone, welcome to BuzzAgentsAI tutorials. BuzzAgentsAI is a cutting-edge platform designed to help you manage and optimize your AI-driven campaigns. Whether you are creating agents, launching campaigns, or tracking performance, our platform simplifies the process and helps you achieve your goals efficiently. For you to log in, make sure you both have your email and password ready. Once you are done inputting both, click Login to BuzzAgentsAI. Once you have successfully logged into the app, you will be welcomed by the app's dashboard. Here is where you can have this 3 quick access in creating new campaign, viewing all your campaigns, and viewing all your schedules. Also, if you are new to the app, I highly suggest for you to watch the demo video first for you to be familiarized with how Buzz Agents AI works. If you scroll down a little from here, you can see the list of your recently created campaigns. Also, if you scroll down to the bottommost part of the dashboard, you can have the opportunity to join us for our live webinar. Here in the live webinar session is where you can have a private training that will walk you through how to use Buzz Agents AI and will help you create and sell videos for maximum engagement, views, and profits. This training or upgrade will not be made available afterwards. So if you are interested in joining this live webinar, just click this Join the Training Now button. Going back to the uppermost part of the dashboard, you can also see here on the upper right corner your profile icon. Now, if you click on this profile icon, you can have the following drop-downs: My Account, Privacy, Account Management, Upgrades, Help and Support, and Logout. Let me first walk you through the My Account section of the app. Here is where you can edit or update your name as well as your profile picture. Also, you can see here your membership level and your email address. Now, in the case that you want to upload a profile picture, just click on this upload button right here and select the best profile picture that you have from your files. Once done, you can click on the update. Same thing if you want to update your name right here. If you scroll down further, you can see the option to change your password. You can see here your current password. And if you want to add your new password, type it in first in the first designated text box. Then make sure to retype your new password on the second designated text box. Once you're done, click on Update. Note that once you click this Update button, you will be logged out from Buzz Agents AI and you will be asked to re-log in for security purposes. Now, the next drop-down that we have here is the Privacy section of the app. Here is where you can change your email address. As you can see, here is your current email address, and if you want to change it or update it, type it in the new email address text box. Once you're done typing in your new email address, hit on the Update button. If you scroll down further, you can see the 3 options in how to manage your account data. You can either download your data, stop processing your data in Buzz Agents AI, or delete your data here in Buzz Agents AI. For your information, Buzz Agents AI stores your private information like your name and email. It also stores your uploaded graphics such as images, videos, and your music tiles, along with text-to-speech. Now, if you wish to download all of these data, you can easily do that by clicking Download My Data. Now, in the case that you wish to stop all your private data from getting processed here on BuzzAgentsAI, you can also do that through clicking the Stop Processing My Data button. However, please note that doing this will disable your account, and you will not be able to use BuzzAgentsAI further. Now, in order for you to reactivate your account, you would have to contact our support team at vania@asax.com. Next thing that you can do is delete your data. This is when if you wish to delete all your private data. You can easily do that by clicking Delete My Data button. However, please note that this will permanently delete all the data of yours from the BuzzAgentsAI server. This step is not reversible, and you cannot use BuzzAgentsAI further. You cannot undo this step from support as well. So, if you wish to use BuzzAgentsAI again, then you will have to start all over from scratch. The next drop-down that we have here is the Account Management section. Here is where you can add a team member for your BuzzAgentsAI account. This type of feature in BuzzAgentsAI allows you to share your BuzzAgentsAI account to your team members without sharing your own login credentials. Now, a team member can do streams, campaigns, schedule, and create other projects with your BuzzAgentsAI account. But do not worry because they cannot alter general settings. Now, in the case that you want to add a team member, just click this Add Member button right here. Now, this page will pop up asking for their account name, account email, and password. Note that the account email and password that you will input here is the login credentials of your team member. Now, once you're done, click on Create. Now, in the case that you have added the account name, account email, and password too, hit on the Create button. Now, once you have created a team member, it will be listed right here. Now, what you can do further with your team member is you can edit their account further, such as you can edit their account name, account email, and password. Now, also make sure to send the account email and password to your team members for them to have their login credentials to your BuzzAgentsAI. Also, in the case that you want to remove your team member and you do not need them to have an access with your BuzzAgentsAI account anymore, just click this Delete button. Now, aside from the account management, the next drop-down that we have here is the Upgrade section of the app. Here is where you can maximize further your BuzzAgentsAI account and, of course, your business as well. You can do here agency rebranding. We have here done for you courses that is downloadable for you to use, done for you articles that is also downloadable, business finder, reseller license, agency website. In the case that you want to know further on how to use WordPress, you can also do web hosting. We also have here client contracts, templates in the case that you need them. We also have here downloadable done for you lead magnets, FB templates that's also downloadable, and 4-week masterclasses that you can watch on your own pacing. The next drop-down that we have here is the Help and Support section, where all the video and articles tutorials are located to help you further familiarize and use better BuzzAgentsAI. And the Logout button allows you to log out from the app. Now that is all for the dashboard walkthrough for BuzzAgentsAI. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial for BuzzAgentsAI. Today, I'll be walking you through the campaign section of the app. Now, if you try to hover your mouse to the campaigns tab of BuzzAgentsAI, you can have the following dropdowns: AI campaign, clients, AI agents, and content campaigns. Let me first walk you through the first dropdown, which is AI campaign. Here is where you can create a new AI campaign. For you to do so, click this Create New AI Campaign button. Then, you will be asked to input your campaign name, input or upload a campaign image. Just make sure that they are in PNG, JPG, or JPEG format and should not exceed 5 megabytes. Aside from the campaign name and campaign image, you also need to input the campaign description for this AI campaign. Once you have input everything, click on Create. Say, for example, I have here my campaign name, image, and description. Once you have added yours to, click on Create. Once you have created your AI campaign successfully, it will be placed right here under the list. Now, in the case that you already have tons of AI campaigns created and you want to edit further a specific one, just use the search bar for you to search your specific campaign. Now, as you can see here, added on the list is the campaign name, description, and the image that I have provided. If you click on this action button, you can have the options to view it, edit it further, duplicate, or delete. Now, if you click on edit, you will be routed back to the same page right here where you can edit the campaign name, image, and description. Once you are done updating your details or information, just click on update. Also, the duplicate button allows you to duplicate your AI campaign, and the delete button allows you to delete your AI campaign. Now, let me walk you through the view section. Here is where you can add or create new client. You can also add or create new AI agent and also create new content. Let me first walk you through how to create a client. First, click on Create New Client button, and then select a campaign wherein you want to add this new client. And then input your client name, the client logo, and description. Now, in the case that you have already selected a specific campaign, added the client name, client logo, and description, or basically your client profile, just click on Create Client and you will be routed to the integration. Now, here in integration is where you can connect your client's social media accounts here in BuzzAgentsAI. For you to connect, just click this connect button right here. Now, I highly suggest for you to open the Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and other social media platforms on the same browser that you are using BuzzAgentsAI. And once you have already opened your social media platforms on the same browser, just click on connect. Now, a new window will pop up. What you need to do is just follow the prompts on this window for you to successfully connect or integrate the said social media platform. And then you will need to select a specific account from the social media platform that you have just connected. Now, same thing you can do with Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, X, and LinkedIn. Now, as for 11 Labs, click on the connect button right here and enter your 11 Labs name and API key. Now, for you to get your API key, you need to log into your 11 Labs account. Click on your profile icon, select API keys, click Create API Key, give it a name, and copy it immediately and paste it right here. Once you're done, click on Connect. Now, in the case that you have autoresponder and you want to connect it here in BuzzAgentsAI as well, just click on the Connect button. Now, what you need to do is input your autoresponder name and the opt-in code. For you to get your opt-in code with any autoresponder that you are currently using, what you need to do first is log in to your autoresponder or email marketing platform. And then go to Forms or Sign Up Form section. Create a new opt-in form. You can customize fields, design, and the confirmation settings. Now, when you save it, the platform will give you an HTML or JavaScript embed code. This is your opt-in code. Now, what you need to do is copy and paste this code right here. Once you're done, click on Connect. And lastly, you can also connect your OpenAI account for automated responses here in BuzzAgentsAI. Same thing, what you need to do is just click on the Connect button right here. And then enter your OpenAI name and your OpenAI API key. For you to get your OpenAI API key, you need to log in first to your OpenAI account at platform.openai.com. Click your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen, and then select View API Keys from the menu. Then you need to click Create New Secret Key, and then copy it immediately and paste it right here. Once you're done, click Connect. Now, once you're done updating and integrating these different social media platforms and other apps to your client's account, make sure to click on Update Client for it to be saved. Now, once you are done adding your client, it will be listed right here. Further actions includes editing it further or deleting your client. Now, let us proceed to creating AI agents. For you to add or create a new AI agent, just click this Create New AI Agent button. You will then be asked to either create with templates or create from scratch. Let me first walk you through how to create an AI agent through creating with templates. Now here is where you can see the list of AI agents templates that you can use. Also, this star button right here allows you to create or add this AI agent as your favorites. To see further description of the specific AI agent, just click on your profile icon. And then you will see here the agent prompt and the agent description. You can also select a specific campaign and specific client wherein you want to add this specific AI agent. If you like this AI agent, just click on the Use AI Agent button. For you to see the list of your AI agent's favorite templates, just hover your mouse to the favorite section of the app, and then you can see here your list of your favorite AI agents. Now, once you have clicked on Use AI Agent, it will be listed right here. What you can do further is edit or delete the specific AI agent that you have added. Now, let me walk you through how to create an AI agent from scratch. What you need to do first is edit or personalize your AI agent. You need to select the campaign and the client wherein you want to add this AI agent in. Also, you need to add agent name, add agent image, and the base prompt. Now, see for example, I have now here selected a specific campaign and client wherein I want the specific AI agent to be in, and I have added her name, her agent image, and of course the base prompt. Now, note in the base prompt is where you should input the description of how your AI agent will behave or its style. Now, once you're done here, you can click on Create Agent and proceed to Knowledge Base. Knowledge Base is very important for you to feed your AI agents with information. Say, for example, my AI agent Nicole is a customer support AI agent. So, Nicole needs information for her to further accommodate effectively the clients. Now, in adding your knowledge base, you can either connect a web page, upload a file, or type in manually the information. Now, in connecting a web page, what you need to do is just enter the website URL. Now, here is a box. Now, if you check this box, it means to say that you have authorized BuzzAgentsAI staff to transfer customer data on your behalf from the URL that you have provided right here. And you have represent and warrant that you have all the rights and permissions for BuzzAgentsAI to scrap the data from the above web pages and subpages. Also, in the case that you want to add more URL, you can just click Add More button right here. Also note that you can only add public available knowledge bases. So, if your knowledge base is not publicly available, please import it as a document instead. So once you are added your website URL, just click on Create. The next method that you can use is uploading a file. What you need to do is just select a file type right here. You can either upload a PDF, a docs file, a text file, or a video. Once you have selected, upload it through here. Make sure that the file does not exceed to 5 megabytes. Once you are done, click on Create. Lastly, you can type in the information manually. Just input your data right here and click on Create. Once you have added the knowledge data, it will be listed right here, including the S number, the process type, the file type, the status, and the date that it was created. Further actions include editing it further and deleting the knowledge data. If you click on Next, you will be routed here on the integration section of your Agent AI. Note that this will only be available if you have integrated or connected social media platforms of your clients on this specific campaign. Now, since we have integrated and connected our client's Facebook account to this specific campaign, Facebook as integration shows up right here. Now, what you need to do is just click on Select so this specific AI agent can use Facebook as the integration. Once you're done with your client profile, knowledge base, in the integration section, you can click on Update Agent. Now, if you're done creating your AI agents, you can now proceed to creating your contents. For you to create a new content, just click the Create New Content button. You will need to select a content type. You can either select post or a text only, post and AI image, a video post, or a manual post. Let me first walk you through how to create a post or a text only content type. Now, you need to select a campaign and a client wherein you want to add this content. Also, you need to select a specific agent that you want to handle this specific content. Now, say for example, I will add this specific content to the sample campaign and have it on the sample client and assign it to Nicole as the AI agent. Then, you need to also add a content name and describe the content that you will be creating. You also need to add a number of variations or the total number of variations that BuzzAgentsAI will be generating. Also, you need to select the content platform right here wherein you want to post this content. Also, select a country and then a language that will be used for this specific content. You also need to select either you will be using the AI schedule or you can also manually schedule the posting date of this specific content or you can schedule it for later. The post frequency, you can also edit from here. You can either choose daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Once you're done on this page, just click on Next. Now, once you have successfully created your content, you will be routed to this page, wherein you can see its designated campaign, client, and agent. If you click on this action button, you can further edit your content, you can push to stream, or schedule its post and delete. Now, let me first walk you through how to edit your content. As you can see, this is our content, since we have selected a post or a text-only type of content. What you can do here is you can add or omit information that you do not like to be added for your content. Once you are done editing and adjusting, just click on Update. Now, once you are done updating, as you can see here, your content is currently on the list, including your content name, status, content type, and the date that it was created. Further action includes viewing it further, editing it further, and deleting it. Now let us try to create a new content using post and image type of content. Same thing, you just need to select a campaign and a client and assign it to a specific agent. Add a content name, a description, variations, select an image dimension, a country, and the language that should be used, and the type of schedule that should be followed. You should also select the post frequency right here. Once you're done, still click on Next. Now you can further edit it through clicking this action button and click Edit Image. Now you will be routed to the editor page of the app where you can add more images and just search from the library right here, or you may upload your own media or ask AI to generate an image for you. Also, you can add some text. You can add a heading, subheading, and some body text right here. You can also add some icons and emojis, add some shapes, and also you can add some borders. You can edit the border color from here. As for meta is where you can edit or add a title and the caption that will be posted with your image. Do not worry in the case that you do not like the caption because you can always ask BuzzAgentsAI to regenerate a caption for you. Once you're done, just click on Save and hit Download. Once you have hit on Save, it means to say that you have successfully edited and adjusted your image campaign. Now this time, let us create a new content, and this time we will be creating a video post. Same thing, you need to select a specific campaign and a client wherein you want this content to be added and assigned to a specific agent. Add a content name, add a description, add a content length, the number of iteration, select the video dimension, and also you need to select a country and the language that will be used for this content. Also, you need to pick a schedule. You can still have it either an AI schedule, manual schedule, or you can also schedule it for later. And for the post frequency, same thing. You can select either daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Once you're done, click on Next. to proceed to video ideas. Now, as you can see, BuzzAgentsAI have generated video ideas that you can use in creating this specific campaign. Now, note that if you have selected only one variation for the specific content, you can also select only one video idea. Now, let me go back through here in content details. As you can see here, number of variations is only 1. Now, if we will select 3 as our number of variations, so we can select 3 video ideas from here too. The selected video ideas will be showing up right here on the right corner of the screen. Note that each video idea is for one video. Now, if you click on next, you will be routed to metadata. Now, here in metadata is where you can edit the title and the description, and as well as the tags of each video idea that you have selected. As you can see, since you have selected 3 video ideas and 3 video variations, so you should edit and adjust 3 metadata as well. Do not worry, because for the tags, if you want to omit some of the tags, you can just easily do it by clicking this X button. You can also add a new tag through clicking this plus button and typing in the tag that you want. For the title, it is editable, as well as the description. Once you're done here in metadata, click on next for you to proceed to video scripts. Now here is where you can see the scripts for each video content that you will be creating. In the case that you do not like the generated script, just click this regenerate script for BuzzAgentsAI to regenerate a new script for you. If you want to include face narration, just toggle this button right here, and then upload a face image that you want to be added. For the coverage, you can adjust it to 10%, 20%, or 30%. Once you're done adjusting the video script for each video idea that you have, just click on next. And the next step is where you can select the video theme. You can have it either in 3D model, abstract, analog film, anime, and etc. Now, once you are done selecting your video theme, just click on next for you to proceed to thumbnail. As you can see, BuzzAgentsAI have generated a thumbnail related to your video ideas in the video theme that you have selected. But in the case that you want to create your own or upload your own thumbnail, just click this upload your thumbnail button right here. Now, in the case that you want to edit the current thumbnail that BuzzAgentsAI have generated for you, just click this edit current thumbnail button. Now, here in thumbnail editor is where you can add more photos, upload your own photo, or ask AI to generate a photo for you. You can also add some text, some icons and emojis, add some shapes, and add some borders. Once you're done adjusting and editing your thumbnail, you can either download it to your device or click on Use. If you click on Use, it will be automatically saved. Now edit all your thumbnails right here and click on Next to proceed to voice settings. Here in voice settings is where you can add voiceover to your videos ideas. You can either have it in AI voices or 11 Labs voice, in the case that you want to clone your own voice and if you have integrated your 11 Labs account. As for AI voices, you need to select a language here first, and then select a gender that you want to use as your voice. You can have it in either male or female. As for the tone, you can select from here. You can have it in academic, conversational, empathic, humorous, professional, or simple. Also, once you have selected and categorized your voices, you can now choose from the filtered choices right here. Once you've picked the voice that you want, click on Next. Now, you need to select the media type. You can have it either in AI images or stock images. Once you have done choosing, click Create Campaign. Now, as you can see, we have 3 thumbnails right here, which means to say we have 3 videos for this specific video campaign. That is because we have selected 3 as the number of variations, and we have selected 3 video ideas. Now, I will be walking you through how to edit or personalize further your videos right here. First, you need to select this action button that appears as a 3 dots, and then click on Edit Video. Now, this is the editor page of BuzzAgentsAI. You can add or edit the background media, add more media or layer media to your video, add some text, You can also have or edit the voiceover. You can have a talking head. You can also add a background audio. You can also do or add some animations and adjust them as well. And of course, you can add your intro and outro credits, and you can add your captions, and you can edit the volume from here. Now, I highly suggest for you to have the voiceover audio much loud compared to your background music. Also, you can enable call to action, and as per the settings is where you can add your logo and your watermark. I highly suggest for you to preview your video first before rendering to make sure that the video is good to go. Once you're done, click on render. Now, what you need to do is just wait for BuzzAgentsAI to completely render your video. Now, lastly, let us create the manual post. Same thing, you just need to add or select the campaign and client right here, wherein you want to add this specific content. Also, you need to select it to an agent and add your content name. Also, you need to input the manual text right here, select a country, language, the schedule, and the post frequency. Once you're done, you can now click on Next to proceed to image and video. Now, once you have clicked on Next, you will be routed right here where you can see the campaign, the client, and the agent wherein this specific campaign is assigned in. Now, further actions includes editing the manual text further, push to stream, schedule post, or delete this manual campaign. Now, those are all the content types that you can use or do under the campaigns. Now, as you can see, we have further drop-downs right here. As per the clients, here is where you can see the list of your created clients under different campaigns. As per the AI agents, you can also see the list here of your created AI agents. And for the content campaigns that you have created, you can see the list here as well. Now, that is all for the campaigns walkthrough for BuzzAgentsAI. In the case that you need more tutorials, just click your profile icon right here and visit the help and support section of the app. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial for BuzzAgentsAI. For today's tutorial, I'll be walking you through the stream section of the app. First, click on the Streams tab of BuzzAgentsAI. Here is where you can create new content streams and of course see the list of your created streams, including their thumbnail, the type, the title, the description, the date it was created, and the tags. Now, for you to start creating a new content, click Create New Content button and select a type. You can either select image, video, or text, depending on the type of content stream that you will be creating. Also, enter the stream name, the stream description, and add your tags. Make sure to separate your tags by comma. Once you're done adding all the necessary information, click on Create. Once you have created one, it will be showing up right here. Now, further actions include viewing it further, editing it further, and deleting your stream. Let me first walk you through how to view further your created stream. Here is where you can upload or update your stream. You can update the type, the stream name, the description, and the tags. Now, in the case that you will be adding some files of this specific stream, the files will be listed right here, including their thumbnail, the title, its description, the date that it was created, and the tags. Now, once you are done editing your stream, just click on Update. Now, for you to edit your stream further, click again on the Action button and click on Edit. Here, you can edit or update the type, the stream name, stream description, and tags. Once you're done, just click on Update as well. Now, in the case that you do not need this specific stream anymore, just click on this Action button and hit on Delete. Now, that is all for this tutorial. In the case that you need more, just click on your profile icon and visit the Help and Support section of the app. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial for BuzzAgentsAI. For today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to schedule a post or a stream here in BuzzAgentsAI. First, click on the Schedule tab of the app. You will then be routed here on this page where you can see a calendar. Now, select a date wherein you want to post your stream. And then, click on this plus icon. Now, you need to select a client, an agent, and the stream that you will be posting. Next, select the social media that you will be using in posting this content. As per the schedule, you can either manually schedule it or ask AI to pick the best schedule for you. If you want to manually schedule your post, you need to select a specific date right here. And of course, you also need to select a specific time. As per the post frequency, you can either choose daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. If you pick AI schedule, it means to say that you allow AI to pick the best schedule for you. But though you will be asking them to pick the best schedule, you still need to input or pick the post frequency right here. Once you're done in this part, just click Schedule Post. Now you have created a schedule successfully. Now to view all your scheduled posts, just click on View All Schedules button, and you can see the list of your scheduled posts right here. Now, as you can see here on your list, here is an eye icon where you can see and preview the title, the description, the date of schedule, and the status of your scheduled post. You can also see here your post URL. Now, in the case that you want to delete or cancel this specific post, just click this delete icon right here. Now, also, in the case that you want to post it for the next month, you can just click on this arrow buttons right here for you to go forward. And that is how you schedule a post here in BuzzAgentsAI. In the case that you need more tutorial, just click your profile icon and visit the help and support section of the app. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial for BuzzAgentsAI. Today, I'll be walking you through the viral database feature of the app. First, click on the viral database tab of the app. You will then be routed here in this page where you can see tons of viral stock video. Now, this viral database feature of BuzzAgentsAI is a viral stock video library and a collection of pre-made licensed video clips. They are often trending or in viral styles that you can legally use in your own projects, campaigns, or streams. Now, in the case that you want to be specific in surfing the viral stock videos, you can just use the search bar button and input your desired keyword. Say, for example, you would like to create videos related to motivation. Now, once you input your keyword, BuzzAgentsAI will filter the viral videos and will just show you the videos related to such keywords. Now, what you can do right now is download the specific video that you like, and you can use it to your campaigns and streams. Now, this feature is very helpful because it saves you time and also inspires ideas and lets you add professional visuals without the need to film. Also, it keeps your content on trend and also avoids copyright issues. Now, in the case that you need more tutorial here in BuzzAgentsAI, just click your profile icon and visit the help and support section of the app. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial for BuzzAgentsAI. For today's tutorial, I'll be walking you through the viral post and videos feature of BuzzAgentsAI. First, hover your mouse at a viral post and videos tab and click on it. Now here is where you can see trending Instagram videos and posts. What you need to do is just filter either seeing both posts and videos or just posts alone or videos alone. And then you can use the search bar to input the keywords for the posts or videos that you want to see. Say, for example, you want to see motivational contents from the Instagram. So you can just click on post right here and hit on search. Now, BuzzAgentsAI will give you and filter all of the motivational posts that they can find from Instagram. Now, the viral post and videos feature of BuzzAgentsAI can be great inspiration, but note that you cannot copy them directly without permission as they are protected by copyright. So instead, what you can do here is study their style, the trends, the captions, and audience reactions to inspire your own unique creations. Now, if you want to find some videos related to motivation, just hover your mouse from this filter tab and select videos from the drop down. Now, instead of post, BuzzAgentsAI or showing motivational videos from Instagram that are currently viral. Now, this could help you a lot in creating more campaigns and streams in terms of trending formats, themes, and engagement patterns. So your output could feel fresh, relevant, and share worthy as well. Now, same with the viral database, you can download the post and the videos for you to study their style further. Also, if you have downloaded such videos and a post, you can also use the editor page of BuzzAgentsAI to further personalize your videos and images. Further tutorial regarding the editor feature of BuzzAgentsAI is located in the help and support section of the app. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial for BuzzAgentsAI. For today's video, I'll be walking you through and teaching you how to create a lead page here in BuzzAgentsAI. First, hover your mouse to the Lead Page Maker tab on the app and click on it. Now you will be routed here on this page. Now for you to start creating your lead page, click on this Create button. Now you will be asked to enter a campaign name, add a basic overview, select a client wherein you want to have this lead page in, and the autoresponder in the case that it is available or you have an autoresponder account integrated to BuzzAgentsAI. Now we also have here some templates that you can use and further personalize for you to easily create your lead page, or also known as a landing page. Now, in the case that you want to add your domain for the lead page, just toggle this button right here and enter your domain. Now, we have here some instructions on how to add your domain. You just need to go through these instructions for you to correctly add yours. Now, once you're done here in this part, just click on Create to proceed. Now, once you have initially created your lead page, it will be listed right here, including their thumbnail, the campaign name that you have provided, the keywords, the status, and the date that it was created. Further actions includes editing it further or deleting your lead page. Now let me first walk you through how to edit your lead page further. Now here in the editor page is where you can edit or style the content sections. You can have it in 2 columns, 3 columns, and etc. You can also add some images, some links, some videos. Basically, you can further personalize your lead page from here. Also, this feature includes refresh and previewing your edited lead page for you to see how your editing is going. Now, once you are done styling and personalizing your own lead page, just hit save. Now, that is how you create and personalize and style your lead page here in BuzzAgentsAI. For further tutorials, in the case that you need so, just click your profile icon and visit the help and support section of the app. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial for BuzzAgentsAI. For today's tutorial, I'll be walking you through the editor page of the app. If you hover your mouse to the editor tab of BuzzAgentsAI, you can see the following dropdowns: Video Editor, Image Editor, and My Content. In the Video Editor is where you can edit your videos, while as for Image Editor is where you can edit your images. While here in the My Content is where you can see all your edited videos and images. Let me first walk you through how to edit your videos here in Video Editor. This is what the BuzzAgentsAI Video Editor page looks like. You can add images and video as your background. What you need to do is just input your keyword right here to search media from the library. You can also use some solid color as your background, or you may upload your own media, ask AI to generate an image, or also add some effects such as zoom left, zoom right, zoom out header, or zoom in header. For this tutorial, I will be using this specific video that I have downloaded from the viral database feature of BuzzAgentsAI. There is also a tutorial regarding viral database feature of BuzzAgentsAI and how to download such specific videos. If you haven't checked out that yet, just visit the help and support section of the app. Now for this tutorial, we will be using this specific video. Aside from background, you can also add more media. You can still search from the library using keywords. You can also upload your own or ask AI to generate some images. Aside from adding media, you can also add some text layer. Do not worry because there are tons of settings right here that you can alter. Say for example, I will be adding a specific text right here. So for me to add a text, I should delete this and enter my word. You can also adjust the size of the text box, and you can also edit the font style and etc. Aside from that, you can also add voiceover. You can either do voice cloning or use AI voices. You can also upload your own voiceover or record a voiceover here in the video editor. For voice cloning, make sure that you have integrated and connected your 11 Labs account here in BuzzAgentsAI. If you haven't done that yet, just click this click here button. If you want to use AI voices, make sure that you have selected a specific slide number wherein you want to have this AI voice and selected a language that you will be using and the voice as well. Once you have selected the voice, the language, and the slide number, input the script or the text right here. Once you're done, click on Generate for you to have a preview on how this voice sounds with the text that you have provided. If you like how the voiceover sounds, click on Use. You can also add face narration. Just toggle this button right here and upload the image. You can include head movements and adjust the head position, face shape, and the face size. Aside from that, you can also add background audio and you can upload your own as well. Layer animations can be done right here, and you can adjust the duration and the start delay. If you want to add some transitions, just click on this icon, and beside that, you can add your intro and outro credits. Here is where you can add your captions, and you can choose how it preview from here. Also, you can edit or adjust the volume control, and I highly suggest for your voiceover to be much loud compared to the background audio. Call to action can be enabled from here. And then here on the settings is where you can add your logo and your watermark. And lastly, we have here some templates that you can use and personalize further. Now, if you are done editing your video, I highly suggest for you to preview it first for you to see if everything is good to go. Once you're done, click on Render. Once BuzzAgentsAI have finished rendering your video, it will be listed under the My Contents. Now, let me walk you through how to edit an image here in the image editor of BuzzAgentsAI. As you can see, we still have the option to search images from the library. You may also upload your own or ask AI to generate an image that you want. Now for this tutorial, I'll be using the library and I will input my keyword right here. Once you click on enter, wait for BuzzAgentsAI to generate or show the related images. Once you have selected an image, you can drag it just like this to make it bigger. Now you can also add some text layers. You can always drag the text using your mouse. And you can also adjust the text color from here. And of course, adjust its transparency as well. You can also edit the font and the font size. You can also add some icons and emojis from here. If you want to adjust or change the color of the specific icon, you can click on this button and adjust from here. Also, you can add more shapes and borders. In the case that you need some templates, just click on this last icon right here for you to see the templates that BuzzAgentsAI have prepared for you that you can further personalize. Once you're done editing, you can either download it to your device or hit save for it to be added to your contents. Going back here, if you click on the editor tab, you can see the My Content option as the last dropdown. If you click on that, you will be routed to the list of video and image content that you have created. If you click on this button right here, you can filter them from videos to images. If you select video, it will show up your video contents. If you click images, it will show up the image content that you have created. Now that is all for the walkthrough for the editor page of BuzzAgentsAI. For further tutorials, in the case that you need so, just click on your profile icon right here and visit the help and support section of the app.
So thank you for watching this video. You can check out all the details related to BuzzAgentsAI from the review bonus page given in the description, as well as comments below this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit a like button and subscribe to our channel for all the future updates.